Hey guys, what I've got here is the Pocofone F1. This is Xiaomi's flagship phone, which is being sold at a budget price. As you can see here, I have the global version. Now, in every sense of the word, this is a flagship phone. It's got a Snapdragon 845 and a Adreno 630. It's got 6GB of RAM. This has a micro SD card slot, but I've opted for the 128GB version anyway. Picked up from eGlobal and some wonderful packaging there. And I paid £284. I could have saved £20 to £25 and got the 64GB version, but yeah, I opted for a little bit more storage. And yeah, you can't argue with the price of this thing. This has got the same internals as phones that cost 500, 600, 700, 800, or even 1,000 euros or pounds or dollars. Wherever you are, flagship phones are getting more expensive, and Xiaomi have brought out this Pocofone F1, so kudos to them. So let's have a look at what's inside. I will do another few videos and I'll look at performance and I'll look at what this phone can do. But I want to show you guys what's in the box. There's the phone for starters. So let's see what's in the box. Oh, I didn't think we'd get that. Okay, so I'm quite pleased to see that. And quite surprised as well, because I've actually ordered a red case for this, but they've thrown in a kind of silicone gel case anyway. As far as the case goes, yeah, it's okay. Doesn't give you much protection though, at the top. But hey, they've thrown it in for nothing. It'll do for starters. What else have we got here? Okay, we've got a user guide that shows you the SIM card tray slot, 2 nano SIMs or 1 nano SIM and a micro SD. We've got 3-prong UK adapter. It's pretty good. And it says it's up to 5 amps. So that's 1.5 amps, I think. It's quick charge 3.0. And then we've got USB Type-C cable. And there is a SIM ejector tool down the bottom there as well, if you can see that. So, enough about the accessories. Let's look at the phone itself. First impressions are wow. Just wow. This looks gorgeous. Okay, let's take off the stickers. So first impressions are that this is an absolutely gorgeous phone. I can't believe how cheap this is. I really can't. So you can see this, the speakers down the bottom, the USB Type-C charging port. At the top, you've got a headphone jack. My God, how I have missed you. Power, volume, fingerprint sensor, dual camera. And then you've got your micro SD card slot there at the other side. So pretty straightforward. Charging port and speakers, SIM card slot, micro SD card slot, headphone jack, looks like there's a mic there, fingerprint sensor and dual camera. So there we go. So this is all ready to get set up, and I just have to get started with this and sign into Google and sync all my apps. Okay, a quick summary of what you get when you buy the Pocofone F1. You get a SIM card ejector tool, you get the phone itself, of course, you get a user manual, which is quite basic but will get you started. You get a 3-prong UK adapter. You also get a USB Type-C charging cable. You may get another adapter if you're buying from a different region. And finally, you get a little silicone case, which not the best in the world, but isn't too bad either. And will certainly do until you pick up something a little bit better. So first impressions are extremely positive. I think this looks like a fantastic phone. I really do think that it looks great. I'm looking forward to testing this over the next few days. So if you've got any questions about it, please do post them below and I'll do my best to answer them. I'll be doing camera tests and a number of different videos about it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll speak to you all in the next one. Take care.